Hi guys, so meron na tong 5 ports which are 2 output and 3 USB port. And dumating to sa akin kahapon 71% and nag-charge na ako dito ng dalawang phone kaya 60% na lang siya. Try naman natin tong table lamp pot. Ayan. Ayusin muna natin. Ayun. Okay. And turn on lang natin siya. Ayan, as you can see, it works well naman. Try ko siya gamitin at night and tingnan ko lang kung ilang oras or ilang yung consume nito sa ating power bank. So, try naman natin itong ating wireless modem dito sa ating power bank. And isaksak lang muna natin. Wait, teka lang. Siguro tanggalin naman natin itong ating lamp. And wala pala tong SIM card guys, kaya di siya color blue. Pero at least nakita natin is still working good. Ayan, ang cute niya tingnan. Kahit ganito siya kalaki and can charge your phone 6 to 7 times mga